Okay, welcome back to the video. This is a second video of a three-video series of assembling the PAX wardrobe from IKEA. And in this video, we're going to assemble the drawers, all the drawers and the stick to hang the clothes. So we've bought three drawers plus one for accessories, and we're going to assemble that. If you want to watch how to assemble the columns, you can watch the prior video. It's the part 1 of this series, and this is the 2024 model of the PAX wardrobe from IKEA. If you have a prior version, you can watch the other videos. I have a three video series of the 2020 version of the PAX wardrobe. So let's get into it. Okay, let's take this. So this is the last one that I'm going to do. The other two are already done. So it's very simple. We're going to levitate this here. Use the knife. Cut this in the middle like this. Open this part like that and push here. Wait, push here, pull here, and push here, and then pull like this, and it will reveal the sliders that we're going to put away. And now put these aside just like this. It's very easy. And put these aside as well, like that. Now the tools in the middle with the accessories. Okay, now just grab the first piece. The first piece is the one that has more holes in it. So it has 3 in this side, 3 in this side, and this big one, all right? So it's very easy to identify the piece. Then grab the wood connectors, all right? And just put them in place here. Yeah. Now, with these two put in place, just grab these 4 screws, okay? And screw them in place. I'm using my screwdriver in level 5. Okay, now just grab this big piece. This is supposed to be the bottom of the drawer. So just put it in like this, in this angle, and pull slowly until you get 90 degree, all right? Very simple. Now grab the next piece, this one, all right? And just, as you can see, has this hole and these two. You first connect here, right? And then pull it down. If you see that you have some dust in this area, just blow and then boom, and it's done, all right? Do that with the next one, this piece. As you can see, this here. And if you have, like I have here, this dust, this is the cut that it's bad made. Just take a little bit and now put it in place like this, okay? Done. Now the next part is to grab these white pieces here, okay? They are very little, and you should put them with this arrow here pointing down, okay, like this. because this is going to turn like this and pull the screw that it's inside. Okay, so like this to there. Okay, put one here, another here, and two in the other side. Now grab the screwdriver and just turn them as long as you can, like this, and you're done. Turn them so the arrow should be pointing up now at this point. A little bit furthermore, but pointing like this, the arrow. Okay, the next point is grab the last piece, this one, right? And with this hole, straight hole, yeah, you just put it like this, and then like this, and it's done. All right. Okay, next, to finalize this part, you only need to grab these plastic screws, and they don't screw really, you just have to nail them. Put put four, two on each side. You can do it manually, but it's easier if you use a hammer. All right, two in this side as well. Make sure it's getting this part, okay? Because when you then use the hammer, if it's not inside this part already, it can go down and damage the wood. So grab the hammer and just give it a little bit of love. Yeah, one, two, and it's done. So the drawer is done. Now what we have to do is simply attach them to the wardrobe using this hardware, and we're going to do that next. So let's put the last one away like this, and now we're going to start. As you can see, I have 6 of them, of these two. The layout is the same as the last one because was a good layout and we like it like this way. So we're doing the same layout, and we have 6 of these drawers, and now we're going to attach them to the wardrobe. It's very simple. We have to grab two of these. It comes with the drawers, and we have to attach them here, right? Okay, so at this point we grab 4 of these, okay, and your screwdriver, and count 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And after counting this, the sixth, we just place the hardware above it. Okay, so this is the sixth, and we put it in the eighth. All right, so the seventh hole gets covered, and this is very important because we're going to use sliding doors, and with the sliding doors and the hardware for the sliding doors, we need a lot of space down below to attach the doors. But we don't mind because we use this area to put shoes or other stuff that doesn't have any designated space, so we okay with that. If you want to have another drawer here, you should change or opt for opening doors like this with hinges, and yeah, that's it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we put it here, right? Okay, so just put the screw in and screw it. Okay, not all the way down because you should do that after you have the second screw in place. So okay, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 here. Okay, so I'm gonna do these to all of them. I have to put 2 more here and 3 in the other side. So I'm gonna do that and I'll come back. Okay, almost all done. I have installed 5 of the 6 drawers. Now I'm gonna show you how to do the 6th drawer. Uh, it has some tricks to it, so let's get into it, okay? So first grab the drawer, right? And the back part, you should install it first, okay? So like this and down. And then just leave it, okay? As easy as that. But you have 2 little knots that you have to put in the drawer. So as you can see, when you put the drawer, you have to put this here, you have to put it inside the drawer in both sides, push like this, and it's done. Then in the bottom part you have this here, you have to put it in this hole. But first you grab these 2 pieces and put this one first in this stick like this, okay, and then down, and then this plastic screw or whatever goes to the second hole, okay, like this. All right, you insert it here, insert it, and then turn these, I don't know how it's called, like that. Okay, so after those simple steps, putting the stick in the back of the drawer and these ones, you just close the drawer and it's done, okay? Some things to keep in mind. Again, here the space between the floor and the first drawer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and then you screwed 8, okay? And then the rest of the drawers, you just have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and screw the 6th, all right? Okay, so 6 drawers are installed. Now what we have left to do? Simple. Another drawer here, then top, then we have the hanger, and then another shelf, all right? So drawer, shelf, then a hanger, and then a shelf. So let's start by doing the next drawer. Is an accessory drawer. So let's grab it. Okay, so these are the shelves, and we need this one and the other one. So let's grab this one. This is the other shelf. Okay. Yep. Okay, so let's open this up like that. And here, careful here, you don't put the blade down. Just give it a little flick, and that's it. Open it up, and this is already made, so this one is very easy. So we have the drawer, the accessories drawer, some covers and the screws, and then we have the hardware. So it's very straightforward. So let's just open this. Yep. And open this as well and take all out. So 2 covers and 2 screws with the little small plastic screws or whatever. All right, so let's do it. So to install this is very easy. It's just like the other ones. You take 2 screws and then you just put this in place. You see, this is the max down that the drawer is going, so it's safe to put the hardware here. So we're going to put it here, all right? So fit the back. As you see, and as I said before, just fit the back first in an angle like this, right? Make sure it's in place. 1, 2, and then just drop it and it's done. Okay, so it's in place. Okay, now to finish, it's very simple. You grab these two pieces, the white pieces, okay? This drawer doesn't have that metal piece, so it's very straightforward. You just insert this part in the hole, okay, in the hole, and then turn this little knob to you, and it's done. You can close. And it's finished, all right? Okay, now the next part is to install the shelves. The shelves come with this box, and the box has some screws in it, and they're like this, have some kind of plastic and a screw inside. So you just have to put them in place, 3 on each side, and then just screw them in place, and this is how it looks like. Then you just grab the shelf and put it on top of it and let it rest. After you install the bottom two, you can install the two in the top part, and after that just rest the shelf on top of it and you're done. Okay, so it's all done. Now to finish the wardrobe inside, really, it's the last step is to put the hanger here to hang the clothes. So let's do it. Okay, so I believe the hanger is this box here. I'm not sure. If it's not, I probably missed it and didn't order, but let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, so yeah, we have it here. So 2 hangers, one for each side. So let's open this up. Okay, so the screws are inside, so pull them out gently. If not, they go straight in and there's no way to take them out. Let's take this off. The other side as well. Okay, so to install this, put this part facing you, so the outside, okay? This part goes outside, and then put the screws in like this, and put it and screw it as closer to the top shelf as possible. So right here, 1 and 2, put the screws in. It has these 2 holes in each side. So what you have to do is put them facing you, all right? And put one and then the other, all right? Very easy. So let's put one, the left side in place, and then the other one, just force it a bit and it's in place. Okay, so this part is done. We have completed the inside of the wardrobe. If you haven't seen already the part where I installed the cabinets, go and watch the previous video. If you want to watch assembling the sliding doors, watch the next video. And yeah, for this video, it's all. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.